Have you ever made an impulse purchase on an app, or while shopping online? That, "I just had to buy it" moment? Well, it might not have been an accident. It could be the result of behavioral manipulation, orchestrated by massive amounts of data and AI. Today, I'm going to share groundbreaking research from MIT Professor Daron Acemoglu and his colleagues. The topic? How tech companies use big data and AI to manipulate our behavior and maximize their profits. Everything we do online, our search history, the products we click on, our purchase records. All of this is collected as big data by massive corporations. AI analyzes this enormous amount of data and can now accurately predict people's interests and preferences. But here's the thing, as this prediction technology becomes more sophisticated, the research warns that it goes beyond just providing convenient services. It can actually influence our decision-making itself, enabling what the paper calls behavioral manipulation. The key concept in this paper is glossiness, or superficial appeal. This refers to making products appear more attractive than they actually are. Think fake reviews, flashy product presentations, or celebrity endorsements. AI learns which users are susceptible to which types of glossiness, and can present the optimal product at the optimal time to maximize purchases. AI-driven behavioral influence isn't always a bad thing. The paper states that when glossiness is temporary, it can actually benefit users. For example, it might encourage you to try a new brand or service that you end up genuinely enjoying. In this case, AI acts as a helpful guide, assisting your exploration. However, when glossiness is long-lived, the situation completely changes. AI learns that users will purchase low-quality products as long as they're deceived by the glossiness. So platforms stop bothering to develop high-quality products, and instead flood the market with low-quality items that just look good. What's even more concerning is that as the number of products offered on online platforms increases, this behavioral manipulation becomes more powerful. Platforms can pinpoint products with just the right glossiness to exploit each user's specific vulnerabilities from a vast sea of low-quality options. We can see this theory playing out in various aspects of our daily lives. On social media, platforms initially display engaging but shallow content to maximize user engagement and advertising revenue. In e-commerce, search results sometimes prioritize attractive-looking but low-quality products. In app stores, apps with appealing screenshots tend to be recommended to boost download numbers. We often think more choices are better. But this paper warns that an abundance of choices can actually harm our interests. This research suggests that advances in big data and AI aren't just technical issues. They're ethical issues related to our freedom of decision-making and economic fairness. To address this problem, the researchers propose 3 policy approaches. 1. Data minimization. Companies should collect only the minimum data necessary for specific purposes and be prohibited from using it for other purposes. 2. Transparency. Platforms should clearly explain to users how their data is being used and educate them about platform strategies. 3. Promoting competition. Governments should provide legal support to help new companies enter the market, companies that prioritize privacy and fair pricing. This means enabling platforms with fair mechanisms, like collecting only minimal necessary data, or offering the same price to everyone, to compete effectively. What this research shows is that technological progress doesn't necessarily benefit consumers. The power of big data and AI can improve our lives when used properly, but it can cause serious harm when misused. What's important for us as consumers is to understand these mechanisms and make smarter choices. And for society as a whole, the challenge is finding ways to maximize the benefits of technology, while minimizing the risks, balancing appropriate regulation with innovation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. This channel delivers insights you can use tomorrow, combining consumer psychology, behavioral economics, and data. See you next time.